this person has no desires. So naturally, if I have no desire and there is nothing I want from anybody, who can make me sad or happy? Right now, find out your reasons for being sad and even joyful. Think of the reasons. What can give you happiness and what can give you sadness? सोचो बैठ पता चलेगा कि ये वाला desire fulfill हुआ. It could be for others also, okay? Like my child has done something, so I am happy. I didn't do anything and they achieved something. But still it is an attachment to the child, okay? So it's like anywhere, okay? Anywhere where you feel I have desires, it's going to cause this problem. So this Santushta person has no desires, no wants. So does that mean that they're not dependent? They are for everything. Like food hoga, maybe, for water, for somebody to take the garbage. This is an interdependence of society. That will be there. But for their emotional needs, for their personal joy, they don't need anybody. लोग अपने आप में खुश रह सकते हैं. They will meditate and they will be very peaceful. They'll read something and they'll be very blissful. So then they don't need anybody for anything. This is the place where Krishna is asking all of us to reach. And this is the place when you reach, everybody around you is going to be shaken. You have to check that. The minute your dependence on others reduces, okay, the people around you are going to wonder कि इसको क्या हो गया? इसको मेरी जरूरत ही नहीं है अभी. This person doesn't need me only. But we may be needing them for something or the other, but not for your joy and not for your sadness. So this makes you independent. Yeah, Dhruvi. We ourselves wonder how everybody is there and still I am happy just being with myself. So being with myself is also not emotions. Okay, selfish. No. This is not about being selfish. It is about, it's about being selfish. Okay, that way also we can understand. That self se hi mujhe, I feel joyful. Okay, so that's, you can understand it as being selfish or self-realized. It doesn't matter. So santushta khud mein khud. Dusre log se nahi. But you can be the source of joy for others. Because you're joyful. Naturally, you're a source of joy for others. Wherever you go, you're like that 100-watt bulb. Batti jal gayi. Chalo, ye aayi to humko bhi aanand ho gaya. Something like that. So that is because you are full. You're fulfilled with the joy. And you don't need anybody for that. Yeah, you don't have to feel guilty. Because others are not the source of happiness. उन लोग के पास है ही नहीं. सोचने जाओ तो है ही नहीं. और हम लोग, we're demanding, give me happiness, give me this and I'll be happy. Let's stop this. I'm telling you now, just be with yourself. Look for something. It could be as simple as maybe, making something, making a dish. But don't expect that, okay, after I make this, everybody will appreciate this. So much socho. So if you still like cooking and there's nobody to eat, donate it. Give it off to other people. And they'll be happy. So, but then again, don't wait to see their happiness. That is also expectation. Just be relaxed. You find joy in your action itself. So this, all of you need to check one thing. कुछ एक ऐसे ढूंढ लो और उसके साथ आनंद में रहो. Like people who like to dance, I know, like Gayatri and all, she used to dance so beautifully that uske dance mein she would be like gone. So that gave her full joy. So similarly, like Akshita, when she sings, probably she gets the bliss and the joy in the singing itself. Uske baad people will say, अच्छा था या अच्छा नहीं था, उसे फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. Because it was done without expectations. The moment itself was giving joy. So this, each of us need to find what gives me so much joy by myself. I don't need anybody for that. And then you fulfill yourself with that. That's the important thing. Naturally, your desires will reduce. Because our desires are for what? Think. Okay, I want money. For what? Because I want happiness. Okay, I want a good family. For what? I want happiness. Whatever you want from others, okay, whatever the thing it is or the people, it's for your happiness. So a journey is for sukha, for happiness. So ये अगर trick मिल गया कि happiness is within me and anytime I can tap it, I don't need anybody for that, then you're free. Then your desires are reduced because all the desires were going for that only, for happiness, seeking happiness. So desires are over. No wants, no expectations.